You know, the weird thing is, you try and you try and you try, and like, it's just, I mean, you try too hard. You try too hard. I try too hard. And I think that if you stop trying so hard, then it just kind of has a tendency to come, you know? Just relax and enjoy it, you know? In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand and an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand, I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, big 707 set to go. But I'm out here on the grass, where the pavement never grows. Well, the liquor tasted good, and the women all work fast. Well, there she goes, my friend, she's a-rolling down at last. Hear her mighty engines roll, see her sail going on high. She's away and westward bound, off above the clouds she'll fly. Well, the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours' time. Well, this old airport's got me down, ain't no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I might be. Can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I'd best be on my way in the early morning rain. So I'd best be on my way in the early morning rain. This will stand. Okay, I might do one more, just because of them screw ups, but I kind of like that one with the screw ups.